everyone, welcome to Lopo's channel. Here is Stacy again. I'm so miss you guys for a long time. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the new linear tote bag and the cosmetic bag. They are black based and anti-dirty. For the tote bag, it has a pocket inside, so it is convenient for you to put small items in it. Also, it has a large capacity, so it is suitable for shopping, vacation, beach outing, or use as a mommy bag. Okay, let's go for design part. You must have a template before you start design. For the templates, you may all know that I usually make it 3 mm wider than its actual size for easier printing. Next, based on these templates, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. As you can see, the templates are really simple, which means it is suitable for all types of design. Here are some tips I would like to share with you. For the cosmetic bag, if you want to do full print design by repeating pattern, we suggest you use a transparent background because it will be easier for printing. For the tote bag, the height of your design is limited by the zipper inside, so you are better design it with transparent background, and it will be less difficult for printing. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Stacy from Lopo, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us, let's make life memorable!